Dear gentle sewist, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make Iro and Buba for a 1-year-old baby girl. For the Iro, I'll be making use of the ashoke, and for the Buba, the lace fabric. Let's get right into it. When you purchase your ashoke from the market, it comes in bundle, and in each bundle we have several pieces. Now, a piece can be as long as 76 inches to 78 inches. It depends, but for me, my piece was 82 inches long. So you're going to pick one piece, divide it into two, pick another piece, divide it into two. Okay, so as you can see, I have 4 pieces, but because I am making for a 1-year-old, to join these 4 pieces would be too long for a 1-year-old. So I'm just going to pick 3 of these pieces and join it together to form my Iro. When joining the Iro, make sure you don't join it the way you would join a normal gele. You're going to face right sides together, even though an ashoke does not have a wrong and right side. Just face right sides together, then you're going to join it and seam open the seam. Then you're going to give it a good press. You're good that way. Also, for a 1-year-old, we need a rope to help secure the wrapper, and I have gone ahead to create these ropes. They are about 2 inches wide. Then you're going to attach it to the edges of the Iro and secure it down. I'm going to take this to my sewing machine now and sew. For the Buba, fold your fabric into 4. Make sure the upper part is on fold because Buba does not have joining at the shoulder. Now, take your child's measurement. The important measurement is the sleeve measurement. You're going to put your tape rule on the back middle neckline of the child. Let it pass through the shoulder, then to the arm, and let it stop where you want the sleeve to end. And that is the measurement I have here. Next, you're going to measure out the blouse length and you're going to cut it out. Next, you're going to mark out your chest measurement. So here it is 21 inches. For most 1-year-old, it's usually between 21 inches and 22 inches. 21 inches here, which is 5 1/4. You're going to add 2 extra inch for ease to make it roomy for the child because Buba is not fitted. After adding 2 extra inches, you're going to add 1 extra inch again for your sewing allowance. Then you're going to roll it out. Now remember that important measurement I told you about, which was the sleeve measurement. This is the place where we are going to need that sleeve measurement. So the original measurement plus the ease is now 5 1/4 plus 2 extra inches. That is 7 1/4. Now that is the exact measurement of our Buba. To complete the 11 inches we measured earlier, so you're going to check what you have from that 7 1/4 up until 11. So that remaining measurement is what you are going to use for your sleeve length. So I decided to make my sleeve length here to be 12. So from that 7 1/4 to 12, that's about 1 2 3 4, about say 4 3/4. So that is going to be the length of our sleeve. So our sleeve length is going to be 4 3/4. I hope we understand. For the armhole opening, come down 6 inches from the shoulder and give it a notch. This is okay for a 1-year-old. There's going to be an opening on the 2 sides of the Buba. So for this measurement, I have gone up from the hem by 3.5 inches and give it a notch as well. Let us move on to the cutting of the sleeve. Remember, from our calculation, our sleeve length is 4 3/4. We are going to add 1 extra inch to the sleeve to make it 5 3/4 so that we can use this measure allowance to join it to the bodies. Also, for the armhole opening, we used 6. You are going to use the same measurement on your sleeve, but here you're going to add 1 extra inches to make it 7 so that you can use that inches to sew your sleeve. I hope we understand. Make sure that the same measurements you add on the body for joining allowance is the same measurement you should use on your sleeve. So before sewing, we are going to cut the neck of the Buba. For the neck width, I'm using 2 inches, and for the neck depth, I'm using 2.5 inches. This is so that it easily enters the head of the child. So you're going to connect those points together and use your curved ruler to mark out your perfectly rounded neckline. Okay, I'm also going to be using a bias tape to finish the neckline of the buba. And that is that about the buba. Let's go to our sewing machine now and join it together. Also, if you want a slit on the back of the buba, you can put a slit, but for this I won't be putting a slit. So first thing, we are going to join the Iro together. Remember how I told you to join your Iro? You are going to join it the way you would join a normal dress, right sides facing, and you're going to sew it down with 1/2 inch sewing allowance. Join the 3 parts together, then we are going to proceed with attaching the rope to the Iro. Also, don't forget to give it a good press after joining, okay? So you're going to place the bias tape on the right side of the buba and sew it down with about 1/4 inch. Then once you're done sewing it round on the right side, you're going to flip it to the wrong side and sew it down. Make sure you're not pulling onto the neckline of the buba so that it doesn't expand. Just follow the curve slowly and you're going to get a very nice finishing. Okay, so I am done with that part. I'm going to give the neck a good press. So now I'm marking out the armhole opening, which is 6 inches. For most 1-year-old, 6 inches is okay. Make sure you are following every measurement exactly as it is, okay? And my sewing allowance also is 1 inch. I'm going to sew that down up onto my side opening, which is about 2.5 or 3 inches. So I'm going to stop there. I'm going to join the other side as well. Then I am going to hem my buba. Okay, here I am done making the buba, sewing the hem of the buba. The next thing to do is to attach my sleeve to the buba. Like I said, make sure you use all the exact seam allowance as it is. As you can see, I'm measuring out the armhole opening and it is 6 inches. So here also, I am going to ensure my armhole opening on the sleeve is also 6 inches, and I'm going to mark it out before I sew. All right, so it's time to attach the sleeve to the buba. Turn the buba inside out and align the notch on the shoulder with the notch on the sleeve, and then push the sleeve inside the buba like I am doing and match it up like that. Secure it with a pin and also secure the lower part with a pin. Okay, so you're going to start sewing from the beginning of that armhole opening. Okay, make sure you're not sewing on the armhole opening. I hope you understand. So you're just going to start from the armpit, from one armpit. At that armpit point, you're going to start from there and sew all the way around to meet the sleeve on the other side of the armpit. But make sure you are not sewing over the armpit, because if you sew over the armpit, the sleeve is going to be rumpled on the outside. Just follow what I am doing. I hope we can see clearly. If you need me to, can you see what I explained to you? The sleeve is not rumpled. So this is what I have for my buba. I am done. I also did an auto gele for the child. If you learned a thing or two, kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.